I think that if you have good product practices in place, you're not going to miss those discovery steps if you're building it into the prototyping process the right way. I think it gives us the ability to test some of these ideas and do the discovery faster, but in a like more effective way. And I think it allows us to fail faster and then pivot and then try something else. And it gives us the opportunity to take a big bowl of spaghetti and see what sticks to the walls and then really follow that route down and test that solution a little further.
AI in general and the use of it in an organization or for prototyping, to me, it's just, I'll say the discipline or best practices of the organization. It's kind of like the foundations are there around good discovery practices and experimentation, then they will use it AI prototyping. Otherwise, if those foundations aren't there, then again, you'll end up with, oh, this looks good. Let's just build this thing and skip past trying to measure or assess whether it's a good idea to pursue or not.
You really can't separate discovery from development. And there are certain kinds of discovery which can't effectively be done without developing something. Certainly, we could extend that to apply to AI prototyping. I think the difference now is that the relative cost of quote unquote developing something may be going down, especially in the context of a prototype, or if we could use the term spike, where we want to validate some ideas, but we're not necessarily trying to build robust code that will go into production from henceforth and forever on.
Two risks that I see here with AI prototyping is one that exists right now, which is the likelihood of not wanting to throw away the prototype and start building the real thing, feeling like, oh, the AI can just do this, why not just keep going and building it? And then the second is a little bit more nuanced, which is right now the way that things have been working with prototyping. It's been a lot of conversations. It's been a lot of people in the room. It's been a lot of different developers and designers and UX and product all kind of coming together to collaborate. And with AI being accessible, that all goes away. We have now the ability for a single person to just use AI, and that collaboration doesn't necessarily have to happen over the prototype, but it potentially is now getting missed, creating maybe vacuums of knowledge or even potential risk where it didn't exist before due to having all those folks in the room having the conversations.
So we took an entire week where we did a design sprint where I had everybody within the organization. We did a 1 week long design sprint by the book, every aspect of it. And then on Thursday, we had all of everybody's opinions. Thursday, the designer and I sat there for an entire day and we just prototyped till the cows came home. And it was really effective. We had 6 interviews set up for Friday and went through and showed it to all kinds of users. And it was extremely rewarding week and everybody's opinions were able to get in there. So as long as you recognize that's a possibility and you can build practices and processes to where you're getting everybody involved.
The difference now is the speed with which we can generate prototypes to expose the rough edges in our design, or just look at the interaction itself. And does it actually map to the business domain being designed? That's the advantage. But if you have a good existing process, like a number of other people have mentioned, it'll accelerate that. If you don't, there's the risk that you just ship your prototype to production.